Well, I was just gonna visit Starbucks and they are temporarily closed because they don't have water or something, and I'm like, what? But they don't put water in my hot chocolate, so still could have made mine. But oh well, we shall see. The sign on the door says something like, something unexpected happened or something, and I'm like, what, did you not pay your bill? What? They said they would be open in like 25 minutes, but I think that's just God's way of telling me you don't need hot chocolate today, so okay. So my trip to Starbucks didn't work out for me. Now I'm at Petsmart. It's 3 times the treats day, so I get extra points for shopping, and I need cat food. So here we go.
Good morning.
Good morning, how are you?
Pretty good, how are you?
I'm awesome. Okay, you know how people will say like, hey, how are you? And then some people, like, I guess the grammar Nazi type people will say, I'm well, or, you know, regular folks just go, oh, I'm good, or whatever, I'm fine. And then sometimes if they say I'm fine, I say, shoot girl, I know you're fine. But anyway, and then also if somebody asks me how I'm doing, then I say I'm awesome, because I am. So I'm at Petsmart, obviously, and they have different types of things to help calm the cats, and I was thinking I might need something for when we bring Captain back. When we bring Captain back, Captain's already there. When we bring Wolf back to the house, we don't need a Thunder shirt. I'm not talking about Thunder. I'm talking about getting along together. So, if you guys have any ideas, let me know. Now, to get some more kitten food for the kitties. Now it's time to get some kitten food because I'm almost out. I just have enough for a few more days. And so, again, all the choices. But honestly, Healthy Gourmet only has the chicken entree for kittens, and Captain's not a super huge fan. Although, when we brought Wolf into the picture, I was gonna look at y'all while I talk. When we brought Wolf into the picture, when we brought her home, I had those extra cans of chicken pate left over for kittens, and so I gave that to her, and then oddly enough, he likes it again. But I don't think it's really his favorite, so I'm gonna go back to the Purina Pro Plan, which is our go-to. There it is. And I also need a bag of kitten food because he's almost out of that as well. And since we're bringing Wolf home, we'll need a little more. I don't feed them too much kibble. I mostly feed them wet food. So that's what we do. I'm still at Petsmart, and I was just messing with my hair, and it feels like I may have put too much Biosilk Silk Therapy oil into my hair. And I've got an event to go to tonight, but it's okay. It's okay. It's the way things go. I was trying to choose the type of cat food, and on the other aisle, Purina Pro Plan was more expensive, and he's already eating this Purina 1 kitten food, so that's what we're gonna get because it's more for the same price. It's more. It's like the other one was like a 3.5 pound bag for like $15, $16, and this, let's see, this is a 7-pound bag for $17. So you do the math, you know what I'm saying? This is a better deal. And he already likes it, and I know he likes it, so we're not having to guess about, is he gonna eat it, is he not? So I'm gonna take that, and I'm gonna get that today. But it's heavy, and of course, I just brought, it's heavy, and I just brought, instead of getting a cart, because like a normal person, I just got the little basket. Now I'm trying to lug this heavy basket, working on those arm muscles. Not really, I just really needed a cart. But anyway, that's okay. I'm gonna head back to the office now after I get this lugged up to the front and loaded into my car. They had Nancy Drews, but not the old Nancy Drews. I'm looking for the vintage ones, the ones that are not reprints, things like that. The older, the better, in fact. So, and I parked horribly in my spot. But I'm really close to Starbucks, so that's where I'm gonna go next. And if they're open, I'm gonna get a hot chocolate. I do not know what it is with my car, but I cannot seem to park like equally between the lines. I'm either like too close to this line, too close to that line. I don't know what's wrong with me. I don't know if I'm not like able to judge like distances or something very well. Who knows? I'm in my car. Car's not moving. I'm not taping while the car's moving. And Starbucks was closed again. It's like, well, not again. It's still closed. It never opened. They're having some problem with the water steam. I don't know what's wrong, but I'm like, I guess I really don't need hot chocolate today. But I feel like I do. It's actually my favorite part of that song. Anyway, here's the lot, and it is, nothing's happening. I'm not exactly sure why. I think the next part is to rough in plumbing, but I could be wrong. And it is now day 61. But hang on, 61, 69, 70, day 70 of the build. But stuff is happening, and I'm cool with it. I'm at work now, and I just put my bag, it's a crossbody bag, and I just put my bag crossbody, but I have, my boobs are too big for that, because then the strap goes right down the middle, and that doesn't look attractive. But now I gotta get my junk out the trunk. I'll be right back. Which brings me to another point. I just said I gotta get my junk in the trunk. Get it? You know, junk. Whoa, I almost forgot my water bottle. Gotta have my water, my Yeti. In fact, while we were on vacation, I actually got another water bottle from a company called Hydrocell, and yeah, I need to get it out and wash it so I can use it, and then I'll tell you the story behind how I got it when I show it to you. It's a good one. I haven't confirmed if tonight's event has food or not, and my eyes are watering terribly, so people are gonna think I'm so emotional at this event tonight. It's an award ceremony for sharing life, so that's what that's about. Hey y'all, I'm about to head to JC's Burger Bar, which is right down the street from the office, to pick up lunch. I'm trying to get comfy in my seat. To pick up lunch for Michael and myself. It's late, it's 1:30, so it's a little late to be eating. And it's raining outside, but I was going through, I have my tote bag with me. I was going through the tote bag to try to sort things out, toss away the trash, put in the file the stuff that needs to be filed, put on the list of stuff that I need to do, just little administrative tasks that nobody really wants to do, but I need to get them done. Anyways, I came across this super cute card that my YouTube BFF sent me. Is that not cute? And on the inside, it says, everybody needs a little black dress. She sent it for Halloween. And yeah, so when I went to my P.O. box, I was like, what? There's something there's something in my P.O. box. That's not really how I said it, but I was like, there's something in my P.O. box. That's how I said it. And it was this card. So thank you so much. It's cute. Yes, it is 8 days past Halloween, but thanks. I ordered the kids meal because that seemed right. That felt right. And it's raining, so can't film while I'm driving, so I will see you guys in a minute. Back in the car, and it's still raining, and now I'm gonna head back to the office and of course take our lunch there. But what I was gonna tell you is, there was this guy in there, he was saying something about leaving the card, and he goes, how many times have you like ever lost your card? And he wasn't talking to me, he was talking to the other person. And then she goes, well, I've lost my card one time and I was like, do I need to be here for this story? Because this feels like it's gonna take a while, and I got to go because the food's getting cold, you know what I'm saying? So I was like, y'all have an awesome day, bye. And then I left, so. Off to show the first of 2 houses, they're rent houses. And I've actually never met this gal in person, but we've talked quite a bit, and she's in some groups that I'm in on Facebook, so kind of know her, cyber know her. Hope she's not weird. And then after that, I've got to rush back to Mesquite because we're going to that awards dinner thing for Sharing Life. And now I'm winded because I'm carrying all this stuff and I'm out of shape. I am out here at the George W. Bush Library, and we're here for an event. Just waiting for my husband to come out of the restroom. And yeah, I've never been here, so I think I need to come back someday and just kind of take a tour. But I've asked if I could vlog, and she wasn't really sure what that was. So if they tell me to stop filming, I will. So we're out at the C&M Presents a Night of Light. It's honoring some nonprofits, and Sharing Life Community Outreach is up for a couple of different categories. So hopefully they'll win.
Jackson has served as CEO of Sharing Life Community Outreach for 19 years. Teresa believes in creating a client experience that values the time and dignity of the individual that her organization serves in Mesquite and southeastern Dallas County. Teresa created the Fast Pass program, which allows clients who are currently registered in the Sharing Life database with the necessary documentation to bypass the normal check-in process. Fast Pass holders have a laminated card and special waiting area near the food pantry. This program has strengthened the organization's ability to track the needs of their most frequent food pantry users, analyze trends, and utilize data to create a more efficient and compassionate visit for their food insecure clients. Teresa established a partnership with the North Texas Food Bank and Parkland Center for Clinical Innovation. They onboarded to the Pieces Iris cloud-based client management system. Now the organization can better track clients' food needs and outcomes. Through the use of this system, Teresa and her team are now able to connect with other charitable organizations and the healthcare sector. They share data immediately and make any necessary medical referrals, which can lead to increased staff productivity and better client relations. Sharing Life Community Outreach effectively and efficiently provides dignified, benevolent services to people in need in Mesquite and southeastern Dallas County. In 2016, the organization participated in the North Texas Food Bank's Pilot Hub initiative, acting as a mini food bank, serving small nonprofit partners. Since then, Sharing Life Community Outreach has distributed more than 3 million pounds of food to North Texans, and they will reach their goal of 5 million pounds far earlier than their target date of 2020. The Food Bank Hub program has grown from 13 distribution partners to more than 60 in 2018, and a satellite food pantry has recently opened in Balch Springs, an area of extremely high need. The organization uses Pieces Iris, a cloud-based case management system, in collaboration with the Parkland Center for Clinical Innovation. They monitor certain health aspects of their clients who are registered in particular programs. The data-driven approach to outcomes has allowed the organization to help their clients make better food choices and decisions. And for clients who need medical assistance, Sharing Life Community Outreach is able to make referrals to manage their health needs.
Congratulations to all the nominees, and the nonprofit of the year is Sharing Life.
We are on our way to El Phoenix for dinner, and after the event, we just finished the C&M, or is it CMN?
I don't know offhand.
We just finished the event. Sharing Life was up for 2 categories, and they won Nonprofit of the Year.
CNM.
CNM.
I don't know if you can see that. You want a close up? There it is, CNM. It's backwards.
So, I got this lovely red glow from the cars in front of me. And how you feeling as a winner, honey? Winner,
awesome.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Winter Chicken Enchilada Dinner. It doesn't have it quite the same ring as just Winter Chicken Dinner. But the group is going to El Phoenix. By the time we get there, they may have already finished dinner and gone home though. Because it's taken us forever and traffic is pretty trafficy.
I think it's the directions you gave me.
I went by Waze.
I'm
Waze told me.
I'm kidding. You always get me to where we need to go.
Oh, now he's gonna play up to me now.
Look, we look red.
I know, but now he's gonna play up to me. Y'all don't be fooled. Y'all don't be fooled.
This boy is on fire.
Okay, we'll see y'all in a minute. We are out here at El Phoenix. Don't mess with Tex-Mex. Took a pic in front of that last time we were here for the El Phoenix's 100th birthday, their centennial celebration. Now we're coming out here to celebrate.
Because it's their 101 month birthday.
Sure. No, we're coming out to celebrate Sharing Life being named the nonprofit of the year. So, what?
Hey everybody, we're in our vlog. We're leaving El Phoenix. We had a great meal, great camaraderie, with our co-workers, my co-workers, and family, and it was a great time. We enjoyed it immensely.
And we will see you. We will see you.
Ah, there's one of my, there's my boss right there.
Stop it, James.
Yeah.
You can do my vlog.
There's his lovely girlfriend right there. Hi, Christy.
Welcome to our Gray House vlog.
I'm the one that's griping and bitching.
So we're gonna go ahead and end the vlog here, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.